Hello guys, this is Sahib and I'm the founder of Next Voice AI. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can build a powerful outbound AI voice agent for yourself or for your company. And if you have a list of 5,000 leads or 2,000 leads, or maybe those leads who are not converted or who are not contacted yet, you can use this powerful outbound AI sales agent to contact those leads and convert them into paying clients. Before diving in, we have to understand the core flow that our AI voice agent will follow. This is the diagram that I made for you guys so that you can understand better and it will become easier for you to understand what's happening. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, you can clearly see that there's a schedule trigger, which means that every call will be scheduled 5 minutes after ending previous call. And then we have Google Sheets, which is a lead list. So then we have lead available. Is that lead is available in the list or not? If yes, then it will place the call. So if the call is answered, the AI will pitch the free AI audit, and then it will update the Google Sheets and update the status to called. So this is how it's gonna work. And for building this AI voice agent, I'm using a powerful platform called Retell AI and n8n. Okay, so this is the Retell agent setup that I am using for this voice agent, and this is the prompt that this AI voice agent will use. So we are assigning the role and objective to this voice agent, that this is the Sarah. She's a professional sales specialist at Next Voice AI, and then she has personality, and in the context we are passing dynamic variables that every conversation will be personalized. And in the general behavior, we are providing instructions to this AI voice agent that you have to speak like this. So let me show you how you can create a powerful prompt like this for your voice agent. Head over to Quad. So in the Quad, I have made a personal project which will help me create powerful voice agent prompts. In the project, I have passed some instructions. Let me show you what are these. So these are the instructions that I'm putting in the Quad code. I'll put everything in the description so that you can use it for your use case. Okay, so this is the final prompt that Claude generated for me. I will simply copy this and put this in the Retell AI. So let me show you the n8n workflow that I made for this outbound agent. And so this is the workflow for the n8n. So this is the schedule trigger. In this, I'm saying that you have to call every lead after 5 minutes. You can get this note. You have to go to this plus button, and then you have to search for a schedule. There you have this. Click on it, and then you have a schedule trigger. I'm using this node get roles in sheet. First of all, you have to put your credentials here. Like you have to go to Cloud Console, then you have to generate some credentials, and then you have to put these credentials here. I'm using get rows, so we are getting all the rows that are present in the Google Sheet. These are my Google Sheets. I'm putting the date and time here, user phone number, user first name, user job title, business name, call made. As you can clearly see that all the calls are not called. I'm putting a filter on the call made column, and I'm saying that if that call made is equal to not called, okay? So that we are getting only the data of the leads who are not called. Simply drag and drop the call made column and then put it here and then put it equal to not called. So let us move to the next. So this is the HTTP request node. This is the node that will help us trigger the call using n8n. So this is the URL, and I'm putting this URL in the description. You can copy it. So in the headers, I'm putting an authorization header, and I'm saying that its name is authorization, and I'm putting bearer, and after that I'm putting API key from the Retell agent. How you can do it, simply head over to Retell AI, and then you have to go to the settings, and then you have to click on the API key. Then you have to add a new key. Okay, so I've made it. So simply just copy this API key and then put it here after the bearer. Okay, so this is done like that. Also making another header which is content type, and in that I'm passing a value which is application JSON. So in the body we are providing JSON file. This is the JSON. You can copy it from the description. So this is the from number, which means that this is the number that we got from to video or from the Retell AI, and this is the to number, which is dynamic number. So we are getting all this data from the sheets, and the call type is phone call. And how you can get this override agent ID, simply head over to Retell AI, and then you have to click on the voice agent that you in the top left of the AI voice agent. You can clearly see that there is an agent ID. You have to copy this, and you have to go to n8n, and then you have to paste this in place of this agent ID. And as you can see that there are user first name, user job title, and business name. So you have to pass all these parameters or all these dynamic variables in the Retell agent as it is. And after that, we are using a node, which is update row in a sheet. And in this, I'm saying that you have to update a row, and I'm selecting the same sheet, and then you have to select a column to match on. In this case, I'm selecting user phone number. To get this current date and time, you have to put an expression in the n8n. I'm putting it as expression, and I'm putting a JSON, so $now, and it will capture the exact time and date. And in the call made, I'm saying that you have to update it to call, because we have already initiated a call from the n8n, and this is for this node. Let me test this agent, and I will receive a call within few seconds. Here you can see that I'm getting a call. I'm going to pick this up.
Calling from Next Voice AI. Am I speaking with Sohaib?
Yes, this is Sohaib.
Great, thanks Sohaib. Just to let you know, I'm calling from Next Voice AI, and I work specifically with cleaning business owners like yourself. We're currently offering something free that's been getting a really strong response. Is now a good time for a quick chat?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks for that. So, we're offering a free AI audit for cleaning businesses right now. Would you like to hear a bit about what that involves?
Okay, so what is an AI audit you're talking about?
Great question. Basically, it's a free session where our team hops on a call with you, learn how Sam Cleaning LLC currently runs, and spots where time or money might be slipping through the cracks. We look at things like how you handle leads, follow-up, bookings, and customer communication. Then we build out a custom AI strategy just for your business. There's no cost and no commitment. It's just about showing you where AI can help out. Does that sound like something that could be useful for your business?
Yes, sure.
That is helpful. Would you be open to getting a quick discovery call booked in so our team will walk you through exactly what the audit would look like for Sam Cleaning LLC?
Yes.
Sounds good, Sohaib. Someone from our team will reach out shortly to confirm a time that works best for you. Thanks for your time today, and have a great day.
Okay, thank you. So as you can see that this AI agent just called me, and the call made just updated to called, and this is how it will speak. If you have 10,000 leads or 5,000 leads who are dormant and are not contacted yet, so this powerful AI voice agent is the best solution for this. In the context, we are using dynamic variables, and these dynamic variables are the same that we just used in the n8n. So as you can see that we are getting user first name, and here we have user first name, and then we have user job title. So here we have user job title and current time and day, and then we have business name. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get benefit from this.